Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying the physical link. Plug the USB, repair Bluetooth, or replace batteries so you rule out simple latency sources. Once done, open Device Manager and locate keyboards and HID entries to inspect driver status and conflicts. Right-click and choose Update Driver only if available. Make sure to also turn off ease of access settings like filter keys. Those create intentional delays. You'll now move into power and polling adjustments to finish reducing lag. Next, focus on power management and driver refresh to remove hidden throttling. You open USB root hub properties and uncheck Allow computer to turn off this device so the port doesn't sleep between keystrokes. Once done, reinstall the keyboard driver to clear corruption and try different USB ports, sometimes USB 2.0 reduces micropauses on older boards. If you have a gaming keyboard, adjust polling rate in its utility to 500 or 1000 Hz. Higher polling lowers perceived delay while using more CPU. To finish, you validate changes by typing and using a latency tester or stopwatch method in a text editor to confirm improvement. Make sure to disable overlays, macro utilities, or Bluetooth audio devices that can conflict with input timing. Once done, reboot and retest. If lag remains, plug in a different keyboard to determine hardware versus system causes, and perform a clean boot to isolate startup applications. One key troubleshooting tip. If delays reappear, roll back drivers or restore to the point before changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.